Good Saturday morning, everyone. We're off to a quiet start to the day. Nothing happening on radar right now, but that will certainly change as we head into the afternoon hours. Showers and storms will get fired up. We'll probably see a little bit more today than we've seen the last few days in terms of our storm coverage. We'll get to that in a few seconds. First, let's talk about temperatures. It is very warm outside. We are in the upper 70s pretty much everywhere you look except Macomb, 68 degrees. It's a little hazy. Just a tiny portion of that Canadian wildfire smoke is still in the upper levels of the atmosphere, not causing any problems at all. Really, this haziness is due to the fact that our dew points are up, our moisture content is up. It's feeling much more muggy this morning than yesterday morning, and I definitely noticed it when I stepped outside. So it's a lot warmer thanks to that humidity that's kind of on the incline as we head throughout the day. And even the next several days, it's going to feel pretty hot and sticky, and especially next week. That's when temperatures really soar into the 90s. As for today, we will quickly climb through the upper 80s. By the lunch hour, we'll be in the lower 90s this afternoon. We will have some scattered showers and storms by the afternoon and early evening hours. Our high temperatures today will climb into the lower 90s, much like yesterday, but it will probably feel quite a few degrees hotter than that thanks to the humidity values, again, that are on the incline today. 93 degrees in Kenner, 93 Slidell, basically everywhere in the lower 90s, even some upper 80s. 93 in Covington. And as we go into the afternoon hours, we'll take a quick look at those heat index values across the area. Yeah, we're talking maybe lower triple digits, maybe feeling like around 100 degrees at the airport in Kenner, and even downtown feeling like the mid to upper 90s. So this is factoring in the humidity values and the actual temperature it is outside. This really isn't bad compared to how warm and how hot we're going to feel as we go into the new work week, especially throughout the middle of next week. Let's talk about today, your precision cast. There is a complex of storms that's going to move out of the Arc-La-Tex region as we go throughout the day today. We'll see how intact it remains as we go throughout to the second half of our Saturday, but this complex of storms can likely trigger some more scattered showers and storms in our local area as we head throughout the afternoon and evening. It's only going to be about a 50% chance for those showers and storms. We'll take a closer look at today. So this is 10:30 this morning, still talking mostly dry conditions, a lot of sunshine. Clouds will bubble up during the afternoon, and we'll see some more widespread scattered rain and storms popping up today during those afternoon and early evening hours in conjunction with the peak daytime heating and that complex that is going to move out of Texas. So we'll get storms to fire up a little more easily today than we saw the last few days. And a couple of these storms might end up being on the stronger side. That's something we'll have to watch as we go into our Saturday. But tomorrow looks much nicer. We'll actually trend mainly dry for our Sunday. There might be an isolated shower or rumble of thunder that pops up tomorrow during the afternoon, but definitely seeing less storm coverage for our Sunday. Tomorrow's going to be the better day to get outside, though it is going to be hot and sticky both days. Today, there is that level 1 out of 5 marginal risk for severe weather for a good chunk of the area. It's highlighted here in green because 1 or 2 of those storms might be able to give us those strong gusty winds, maybe some small hail, but really the wind gusts are the top thing to look out for. We can see maybe a couple inches of rain and any slow moving storms that pass through, especially north of the lakes. The North Shore can see a good dousing of rain, but we could certainly use it. We're actually running pretty dry for this time of year. Here's a look at that 7-day forecast. Temperatures soaring into the mid to upper 90s next week. We basically have no rain chances throughout Tuesday and Wednesday. We'll see highs around 96 both days.